Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. This is part 2 of the apology series. I have in the last episode introduced 5 important key words and phrases, and now we have another important 5 to complete the last video, so this is part 2. So let's start right now with the first phrase. Before I start with the phrases, let me recap with you what we covered in last episode. We covered important phrases like أنا آسف, I am sorry, حقك عليا, you're right on me, سامحني, forgive me, ما كانش قصدي, I didn't mean it, okay, so معلش, never mind. These 5 important phrases are really important and common, and you can use them right away. Today we continue and we have another important 5. So take for example this first one. أنا آسف إني اتأخرت. So we build now on the phrase أنا آسف. So we have for example إني اتأخرت, that I came late, that I am late. So you can say it if you are late for an appointment or late for work and so on, and you say أنا آسف إني اتأخرت. Or you can say أنا آسف أنا اتأخرت. Okay? اتأخرت from يتأخر, the verb to be late. اتأخرت أنا, so I, this is a conjugation with I, أنا اتأخرت. So أنا آسف أنا اتأخرت, or أنا آسف إني اتأخرت, that I am late. So you can say it both ways. So repeat it with me. أنا آسف إني اتأخرت. How about if a female is speaking? If a female is speaking, we say أنا أسفة. So we add the tight تاء with آسف. أنا أسفة, I am sorry. أنا أسفة إني اتأخرت. So إني اتأخرت, it is exactly the same. We didn't change it, but we just say أنا أسفة, adding the tight تاء after the فاء for female. Say it with me, the female version. أنا أسفة إني اتأخرت. The second phrase is also very interesting. When you say مش هتتكرر تاني. I know if you have trouble with the ra, this one may be a bit heavy for you when you say the ra 2 times, the r. هتتكرر. Okay, so هتتكرر is to repeat, being repeated. When you say مش هتتكرر تاني, it means this will not be repeated. يكرر, the verb is to repeat something. يكرر, repeat. هيتكرر, it will be repeated. هيتكرر, it will be repeated. It is passive. هيتكرر. So when you say هتتكرر, it will be repeated, but this is the female version. تتكرر, be repeated or will be repeated. When you say مش هتتكرر, it will not. So مش here is not, so it will not be repeated. So مش هتتكرر تاني will not be repeated again. Again here it means تاني. So this one you can also, like the last phrase, add it with أنا آسف or أنا آسفة. So you say أنا آسف مش هتتكرر تاني. I'm sorry, this will not be repeated again. أنا آسفة مش هتتكرر تاني. I am sorry, this will not be repeated again, but for female, when a female is speaking, say أنا آسفة. So again, say it with me as a practice. مش هتتكرر تاني. مش هتتكرر تاني. Say it again. مش هتتكرر تاني. This one also is very important. When you say أنا غلطت, I made a mistake. أنا غلطت. So غلط here, it's a bit tricky because there are two words or two letters, sorry, that are very similar to each other, and they are right beside each other or came just after each other. So the first one is the ta, and the second one is the ta. So the ta is the heavy version, and the ta is the light version. T, 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 t. So غلط, غلط. Okay, so you just make them as one item or pronounce them as one letter. T, t. أنا غلط. So أنا غلط, it means I made a mistake. From غلط, it means a mistake or error. And يغلط, the verb is to make a mistake. غلط here, this is the past tense. The past tense. So غلط, the past tense. So أنا غلط, I made a mistake. So repeat it with me. أنا غلط. أنا غلط. This phrase you say if you made somebody sad or angry and it was not your mistake or you didn't mean it. So you say أنا زعلتك من غير قصد. Let me break it down to you. أنا I. زعلتك, I made you sad. زعلتك. زعلتك. Of course we are talking to a male now. زعلتك. To a female is زعلتك. So أنا زعلتك. من غير قصد, it means without a purpose. Not meaning to do so. Okay? I didn't mean it. So أنا زعلتك من غير قصد, it means I didn't mean to make you sad. أنا زعلتك من غير قصد, this is the exact phrase but for female. I didn't mean to make you sad. Just say it with me slowly so that we can absorb it together. أنا I زعلتك made you sad to a male. زعلتك made you sad to a female. من غير without قصد purpose. أنا زعلتك من غير قصد. أنا زعلتك من غير قصد. Our last phrase today is خليني أصلح الموضوع. خليني أصلح الموضوع. خليني in Egyptian it means let me, allow me, give me the room to. Okay, this is خليني. Allow me. أصلح to fix. يصلح to fix something that's broken or that's not functioning. To fix. الموضوع the subject. The matter. خليني أصلح الموضوع. Let me or give me room to fix this matter or fix this subject. This phrase you say for a male and also for the female exactly the same because خليني it ends with the ياء. So this is it kept the same either way with male or female. So you say خليني أصلح الموضوع to a male and also to a female خليني أصلح الموضوع. Let me fix the subject. So say it with me again but slowly. خليني أصلح الموضوع. خليني أصلح الموضوع. Now we have 5 more sophisticated phrases. Okay? أنا آسف إني اتأخرت. معلش ما كانش قصدي. خليني أصلح الموضوع and so on. You can use these 5 phrases in the situations that need this context. Okay? And these phrases, as I always promise my audience in Linguamid, are 100% native Egyptian. So when you say them, it's as if you are Egyptian. What you need to do is just to listen to the phrase many times, absorb it. You can also make the video slower from the YouTube settings and hear the phrase right and then try to pronounce it with me. This way it will be very easy for you to absorb it and to use it. And also don't be afraid to use it with an Egyptian, even if it is wrong, if you pronounce it wrong, and the Egyptian will help you 100%. And we Egyptians really appreciate when you try to speak our language, and we help with happiness. Thanks a lot for being with me in this episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to sign up to my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thanks a lot, and see you in the next episode.